So this is called the Vollpension, full board, and it's actually a cafe, not just any cafe, but an intergenerational cafe. And it's grannies and grandpas making cakes and anyone coming and enjoying them, and it's a great social project. I'll show you all about it when we get inside. Thank you very much for taking the time today. We are at Vollpension, and I would love you to explain a little bit, how did that project come about? What is Vollpension exactly?
Very warm welcome out of the Vollpension here in Vienna. That's also one of my childhood dreams. The idea of the Vollpension, actually it's pretty simple. Where do you get the best cakes? You don't get them at the Sacher or at the Demel. They have good cakes, but the best cakes are made by grandmothers and grandfathers. Yeah? They sometimes don't look perfectly nice and everything straight, but it's the love that makes the difference.
Made with love.
Made with love. And the second point is, when we started it, we found out that there is no place, especially in urban cities, where the generations come together.
So I've been coming here for years. I love the idea of Vollpension. And then the pandemic hit. And then I heard about a project that you launched in response to it, and it's called Bake for Poverty. What does Bake for Poverty mean, and what are you trying to do, and how do you want to do it?
Yeah, you're right. Something happened. not only in Vienna, but worldwide. And we had to close our cafes. We had around 50 elderly people working for us, and we had to find something where we can still give them money they need.
Yeah.
So we came up with the idea they can spread their knowledge via live baking classes to other people, because everybody is at home. We kind of built an online platform called Bakeries. So Bake Academy, Baking Academy,
yeah.
With video on demand.
Yeah.
You can buy like real classes,
yeah.
With 12 or 13 lessons. Yeah. It worked so well, so we kind of had the proof of concept.
Yeah.
One day we came up with the idea, why restricted to Austria? We had some applications from Germany, from Hungary, United States, India, New Zealand, and Australia. Yes.
Tell me more about the Australian brand. That's yes. The one I'm particularly interested in.
I can imagine that. Her name is Diana Sharp, and I fell in love with her when I saw the video she sent us. And we got that very nice video from Diana. She being on a macadamia farm, because her recipe is a macadamia maple syrup cake, and she was on the farm showing us macadamia nuts. You have to imagine, we're a small social business in Vienna. We found out there's a huge potential. Bake Against Poverty helps us to think a little bit bigger. You could have hundreds or thousands live baking courses, and what's really important to us is to give this this notion a global perspective.
Thank you for your time.
You're very welcome.